Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel MJ Manjari. Today we are diving deep into the topic that's all about you and your future self. Have you ever wondered what kind of a person you will become in the next 5 years? Well, buckle up because we are about to explore the factors that play a crucial role in shaping the person you will be down the line. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more thoughtful, provoking content. The books you read, the foods you eat, the habits you build, the friends you meet, the workouts you do, the money you invest, the sacrifices you make. Act accordingly. Your future self is watching. So, let's make this year count and build the future we have always envisioned. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful discussion. Until next time, keep working on becoming a best version of yourself. Take care and stay awesome.